Hello everyone, I'm Amrasuddin Abbas from National College of Ireland, and this is my Data Warehousing and Business Intelligence project. My project is based on determining the laptop prices by analyzing the specifications. For this project, I have three datasets, and the first one is the structured data, which is extracted from Gaggle.com. The dataset contains of memory technologies, installed memory, processor speed, processor, manufacturer details, infrared, Bluetooth, docking stations, fingerprint specifications, etc. My second dataset is extracted from statista.com, which is based on the brands of laptops ranked by number of users in Spain. And this is the table of the Statista dataset, which contains the brands like Acer, Hewlett-Packard, Asus, Toshiba, Lenovo, Apple, etc. So my third dataset is extracted from Twitter using this corresponding Twitter code, which is sentimental analysis of the average positive and negative score of the laptops, which are the corresponding laptops to the Statista dataset. So the database is created using SSMS, which has the dimension table, raw table, and fact tables. And this is my ETL. The ETL process is carried out through SSIS. The datasets from the three different sources were loaded into this SSIS. This my ETL runs successfully as it is automatically deployed. First the truncation happens. Then we load the dimension tables one after another before loading the corresponding fact table. We load the dimension tables one after another before loading the corresponding fact table. And this is my laptop queue. The data model is a star schema. I select the dimension and align it to the dimension tables, dimensions of the queue. And I select the fact and I align it to the fact of the queue. You can see this confirmation message that the cube has been deployed successfully. And these are my business queries, which I have used the Tableau to visualize it. You can see my dataset, my database is loaded into the Tableau for visualization. And this is my first query, which is based on the average positive and average negative score. And this is my first query, which is based on the average positive and negative score that extracted from the Twitter API. Here it shows that Dell favors the people of attaining most number of positive score, and Asus has the most number of negative score. And this is my second BI query. Here it shows the average price of the laptop brands. Panasonic has the most of average price, and Acer has the less average price. And this is my third BI query, which is based on the which laptop have Bluetooth and fingerprint sensor. It shows most of the Sony laptops has both Bluetooth and fingerprint sensor. And this is my fourth BI query, which is based on the most number of users. Here it shows Acer brand have most number of user. So this is my data warehouse. I thank you so much all for watching my video.